Hello guys, today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on your Motorola E13. So at the start you have to open the Google Play Store and look for the Fax app. You will find a lot of them in the store. I am using always the Use Fax. So we have to launch it now. Decide that you want to getting a notification, I don't need to, and add the permissions to the camera and the files. Then if you want to add a file, click on this little plus and select the source of your document. You can choose something from your download files like a PDF, import something from gallery or just take a photo. I will choose something from my gallery, like this one. Now select the photo or the photos and click import. You can see that we can adjust the shape of your document. And if you're ready, click arrow. Now we can choose the filter to make it more visible and click OK. Now just type a number here and choose the country. You can also add a small note here. If you want to add more documents, just click on the little plus and do it the same like before. But if you want to only send this one, just click here and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.